more than 150 soldiers died in Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. They kept it hidden from their people and the whole world. But as they say, the truth always comes out, and for Pakistan, it did. India bombed across Pakistan, destroying military infrastructure, bases, and even sending drones to strike their air defenses. During this operation, Pakistan suffered heavy losses, but they chose to hide it. Here, look at this picture. It's a screenshot of a news outlet in Pakistan, Samaa TV. It says error 404, meaning some article was there but now it's deleted. Why did they delete it? And what was in that article? Although Pakistani media is tightly controlled by their military, but this news outlet, Samaa, somehow slipped. They accidentally released a list of soldiers who were being awarded. And when they realized their mistake, they immediately deleted the article. But few social media users took screenshot of that list. Okay, soldiers get awards. That is recognition for what they did for the country. So why hide their name? Let me tell you, yes, on several occasions, soldiers get awards. Some of them for exceptional services, some of them for bravery, and some of them for sacrificing their lives. When you zoom into the screenshot of this list, you can clearly see the word Shaheed written next to their names, and the number of such names are more than 150. Now Shaheed is Urdu word for martyr, meaning those who sacrificed their life in battle. These 150 names are of those soldiers who died in Operation Sindoor. Pakistan's official claim is that they lost only 13 soldiers, which is the reason they took down the article immediately after it published. If this casualty number had been exposed to Pakistani people, their whole fake victory narrative would have been collapsed. Pakistan blamed India for targeting civilians in the name of terrorists. But we all remember the images and evidences showing Pakistan Army and ISI officials attending the funeral of UN-designated terrorists who died in Indian strikes. To fool Pakistani public, military hands out awards and promotions. Even our CDS had said, it's a psychological trick. If these officers are being rewarded, they must have done something. That will be the perception. Now Asim Munir promoted himself as a field marshal and gave himself the second highest military honor of Pakistan military, Hilal-e-Zarat. Probably he will take the highest military honor once the Operation Sindoor is concluded. Now if you think they hide soldiers' name because they are scared, no, the truth is different. Countries often use psy-ops techniques to project their strength even when they are crumbling inside. One example is body count manipulation, a tactic Pakistan uses frequently. They don't deny deaths entirely. They simply underreport, giving numbers far lower than the actual. This boosts the morale and creates a false sense of strength. But here's the catch. If even one mistake is made, the entire psy-ops collapses. And that's exactly what happened. So thanks to this leak, the truth about Pakistan's losses is now exposed. Thank you for watching the video. Please share your feedback in comment, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.